Introduction to Hydroponics. 1. Introduction. Agricultural crisis. Some studies estimate that crop output must double by 2050 to meet expected demand. In the past, we have cut down forests and grasslands to grow crops, which have severely affected the environment. Agricultural land now accounts for 11% of the world's land, and agriculture consumes 70% of the world's fresh water. China has 1/5 of the world's total population, but its cultivated land area is only 7% of the world's. Food safety. Now we are all used to reporting fatal E. coli outbreaks. Currently 23% of foodborne illness deaths and 46% of foodborne illnesses are related to edible agricultural products. The soil is often contaminated with livestock waste. What is hydroponics? Hydroponics is a method of growing crops without soil. Plants grow in rows or lattices, but their root is water, not soil. Most of us confuse soil with nutrients. In fact, the soil just provides the structure for the plant's roots, not the actual food itself. Food comes from other materials mixed in the soil, such as compost, decomposed plant waste, or fertilizers. Hydroponically grown plants can actually be faster and healthier than plants in the soil, because they do not have to fight soil-borne diseases. In addition, all the food and water they need is supplied directly to their roots the whole day. Hydroponics does not need to be grown on a large scale and is easier than you think. There are kits, do-it-yourself systems, and even fully automatic planting tables, all of which are designed for home hydroponics. Hydroponics is very simple. In many ways it is simpler than growing plants in the soil. Plants need nutrients, water, and air. When broken down into these three things, it becomes easy to give the plant only what it needs. Advantages of hydroponic cultivation methods. 1. There is no competition for root growth space. 2. Plants will grow faster. 3. The root system is smaller. 1. There is no competition for root growth space. Hydroponics uses only 1/10 water of the traditional planting method. Water remains in the system and can be reused, saving water. Nutrition levels are controlled, reducing nutritional requirements and costs. A controlled hydroponic environment ensures that no pollution caused by nutrients is released. Plants will be healthier and more productive. Hydroponics systems can be built and maintained indoors, so there is no need to adapt to the external climate. Perhaps the most significant benefit of hydroponics is that it can be grown in large urbanized cities. By establishing a decentralized network of local hydroponic farms, we can grow everything locally without having to import many fruits and vegetables from distant countries. Two. Plants will grow faster. A. Improve nutrient absorption. B. Limit exposure to pests, diseases and elements. C. Controlled and automated systems. D. Maximize room for growth. A. Improve nutrient absorption. The container is movable and easy for control of pests and diseases. Therefore, hydroponic plants are more suitable for food. B. Limited exposure to pests, diseases and elements. C. Controlled and automated systems. Easy to harvest and short harvest time. Sustainable micro-farms in the future. D. Maximum growth space. Plant growers do not have to be experts in growing any plant using this new system. 3. The root system is smaller. The root system is kept small, so every plant can focus on producing plants instead of roots. Plants that grow in soil require a lot of space because their roots must look for water and nutrients in the soil. This causes its root system to become very large. Hydroponics reduces the space required by plants. Roots do not grow out looking for nutrients, because plants can easily find them directly in growth media and nutrient solutions. The disadvantages of hydroponics. Hydroponics can be expensive in every way. Initial investment, prefabricated materials, nutrient solutions, systems, knowledge. A. Initial investment. Growers, especially large growers, must make initial investments to buy pumps, pipes, basins, lamps, air filters and fans. B. Prefabricated materials. The system is made of prefabricated materials and requires a lot of resources to build and maintain. C. Nutrient solution. Commercial nutrient solutions are usually mined and produced by factories and are expensive. D. System. Systems, especially those with artificial lighting, may consume a lot of power. E. Knowledge. Large systems require technical knowledge and careful monitoring. Solutions. A. Initial investment. The container planting system we developed can provide the cheapest basic equipment. B. Prefabricated materials. REPS materials are the most advanced container materials. C. Nutrient solution. Instead of chemical nutrient solution, we use natural mineral nutrient solution. D. System. We use the cheapest and high-performance LED lights. E. Knowledge. We provide a full range of hydroponic knowledge and management solutions. Conclusion. Container hydroponics can alleviate many challenges. Building advanced systems is cheap and easy, and is a great way to understand the principles and potential of hydroponics.